Hello students, today we are going to discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compounds and spiro compounds. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, bicyclic and spiro compounds. What is a bicyclic? In the name only is there, two cyclic rings are fused with two carbons. See here, these two rings are there, ring 1 and ring 2. These two rings fused with two carbons. Okay, these are bicyclic compounds. Spiro compounds are two rings connected with one carbon. This type of compounds are called spiro compound. This carbon is spirocarbon. Okay, some rules we will check it and we can solve some questions. See here, in bicyclic compounds, the two rings are connected with two carbons. These connected carbons are called bridged head carbon atoms. Now here three bridges are there. Suppose if I am taking is A carbon, is a B carbon. From A to B we can pass by three ways. This is one way, this is another way. Suppose if it is X way, this is the Y way, and this one is the Z way. Three ways are there. So three bridges. Okay, now these carbons are called bridge carbons. These carbons are called bridge carbons. In a bridge, how many carbons are there? Those are bridge carbon. You can see in the X path, in the X path, three carbons are there. So bridge carbons are three. In the Y bridge, only one carbon is there. In Z bridge, zero carbons. What about A comma B? A comma B are bridged head carbons. Okay, remaining these are bridge carbons. See here one more example. These are the bridged head carbons. These one bridge, second bridge, and third bridge. In the first bridge, two carbons are there. In the middle bridge, one carbon is there. In the right side bridge, two carbons are there. Okay, some rules how to write this nomenclature you can see. See, these are the bicyclic compounds. So the prefix is bicyclo. Two cyclic rings are there, so bicyclo is the prefix. Now the parent chain, this is the deck, is the parent chain. Parent chain or principal chain is all carbons we have to calculate. All carbons we are taking as parent chain. Okay, and what about these bridge carbons? We have to take one square bracket. Okay, so how many bridge carbons are there? Suppose here A bridge is the B bridge and C bridge. Okay, in A bridge how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the bridged head carbon. This one. So here how many carbons? 4 carbons are there. 4 carbons. Middle bridge 0 carbons. Right side again 4 carbons. Okay, so these bridge carbons we have to write in the decreasing order. Okay, we have to write in the decreasing order. So 4, 4, 0. Okay, once you go through these rules, total number of carbon atoms present in both the rings is considered as parent alkane. Okay, the parent alkane. See here total carbons, 2 rings, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. total 10 carbons, so that is dec. Okay, next, common carbon atoms present in the both the ring are referred as the principal points or bridged head carbons. Okay, next, the line joining principal point is called the bridge line. The bridge line can have 0, 1, 2 dash 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 atoms. These are only known as bridged carbons. Next, last point, the name is written as bicyclo in the square bracket XYZ alkane nomenclature. Here XYZ are in the decreasing order. This is important. Decreasing order is important. Okay. Now the numbers are separated by full stop. This is also, the numbers are separated by full stop. Now from where we have to start the numbering? The numbering we have to start from bridge carbon, from bridged carbon. Then what is the, shall we take the right side or left side? After taking number 1, we have to prefer long chain. Long chain, long bridge, we can say long bridge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 carbons are there. That's why nonane. Prefix is bicyclo. If you take the bracket here, 4 carbon in the first chain, in the first A chain and B chain and C chain, you can see. In the A chain, how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. You should not count this 1 and 6. You should not count. Why? Because these are the bridged head carbons. We are talking about bridge carbons. So bridge carbons in the first ring, first bridge 4 carbon, in the B bridge 0 carbons, in the C bridge 3 carbons. So we have to write in the decreasing order. Therefore 4.3.0. You can see here. Next, this compound name, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 carbons are there. That's why decane. There is no double bond. Single bond is there, ane. So prefix bicyclo. Bridge here 404, 4.4.0. Any doubt? No. Now here number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 8. See, little different. 8 is here. Then here 9. In alkanes and alkenes, there we will take continuous carbon chain. Here we will take long chain. See, order of preference is long bridge, then smaller bridge, small bridge, then smaller. Okay, smaller. A number 1. Suppose any double bond is there. If double bond is there, double bond is more preferred. Double bond is more preferred. Single bond, triple bond, then single bond. If suppose substitution is there, substitution is more preferred. Normal rule, that is. Substitution is preferred. Okay. Next, we can see such examples. Here, is there any doubt? After 8, number is 9 here. Total 9 carbons are there. No name. Take a bicyclo is the prefix in the square bracket. 3 carbons here you can see here these are the 3 carbons. These are the 3 carbons. Okay, 3 3. The middle 1 carbon. So in the decreasing order 3.3.1, total known 9 carbons are there. That's why nonane bicyclo is the prefix. Similar here, this name is, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 2 comma 2 comma, here it should be 1, not 0. Okay, 2 dot 2 dot 1, because here 1 carbon is there. Next, some more examples here. What is the name of this compound? First compound name, see from where you will start the numbering. 1 2 3 4 5 6, total hex. Then bicyclo, 3 carbon chain bridge, here 1, here 0. In the decreasing order 3.1.0, total carbon hex. Bicyclo is the common. Bicyclo, here 2 carbons, here 2 carbons, here 1 carbon. So 2 2 1 heptane. Here 4 carbons, 4 carbons. These are the single head carbons. Okay, you should not count this one. Left side, right side, 4 4, middle 0, 4 4 0 decane. So like that you can give the name. Here right side 2, left side also 2, middle also 2. So total carbons, these are 6, and bridged head carbons 2. Total 8 carbons. So octane. Next. So this is the bridged head carbons. Okay, this is the one, A bridge, B bridge, and C bridge. All bridges have 1 1 carbon only. So 1 1 1 pentane. Okay, these are the, you can see here, bicyclo. These are the 2 carbons. Here 1 carbon, here also 1 carbon. 2 1 1 hexane. Okay, here 2 carbons, 2 carbons, 1 carbon. Total heptane. So this is also known as norboranes. Norborane is the common name. See, whenever substitution is there, how? See, our order of preference, already I told you, long chain is long bridge. Long bridge is more first preference, then smaller. If same bridge is there, in case of same bridge, if same bridge is there, then lowest locant rule. Lowest locant. What is lowest locant rule? The substitution should get low number. Okay. Now number started from bridge. Okay. Then long chain 2 3 4 5. Now you select again long chain. The long chain is middle. Don't go this side. 5 6 7, then 8. Okay. Now total how many carbons? Don't count this one. It is a substituent now. Now this methyl is a substituent on 8th carbon. So 8 methyl. Okay. This is substitution over. Now bicyclo, how many rings? Total 3 rings. One ring has 2 3 4, 3 carbons. one ring has 2 carbon, one ring has 1 carbon. So 3 2 1 octane. 3 2 1 octane. Again you can see bridged head carbon से numbering चालू होता है. ठीक है, you have to select long chain. One bridged head carbon to another bridged head carbon we have to reach. Then again select the long chain. Okay, if long chains are same, then you can prefer substitution. But here long chain is more preferred than the substitution. Next, second example. Obviously we have to start numbering from bridged head carbon. First you have to identify bridged head carbons, these two. So you can start here. Suppose if you start here, one, I am starting with green. Suppose if I start here 1, then I have to go long chain 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to go for longest chain, means here both in the middle one and the left side one both are same. So here two methyl substitutions are there, so I have to go here 6 and 7. But is it preferred, this clockwise one preferred or anti-clockwise one preferred? Which is the preferred? You can see there substitution which I given the numbering there. Third position ene is there, third position ene is there, and fourth position methyl is there, fourth position methyl is there. But what given, already given the numbering is second position double bond is there, already given that one is second position double bond. Obviously the unsaturation should get lowest number, 2 ethyl, 2 ene, sorry, 2 ene. So this is the more preferred. So this anti-clockwise one is more preferred. Okay, now total how many carbons? Total 7 carbons. So hept double bond is there, ene, where it is on second position, hept 2 ene, hept 2 ene. Now it is a bicyclic compound, so bicyclo prefix in the bracket 311, 311. These are the bridged carbons, these are the bridged carbons. Now this is the substituent. Okay, how many substituents? One is second position, 2 are at sixth position, 2 comma 6 comma 6 trimethyl, 2 comma 6 comma 6 trimethyl bicyclo 3.1.1 hept 2 ene. Okay, I think you understood now. Next, if you solve some more examples you will be perfect. See here numbering, two chances are there, one is here, the other one is here. You can start anywhere, same, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 carbons are there. Hept double bond is there, ene, the position is second position, 2 ene. Okay, now just you write before prefix, you write it, it is a bicyclic, so bicyclo in the bracket 2 2 1. Here 2 carbons are there, here 2 carbons are there, this one is 1 carbon is there, 2 2 1 hept 2 ene. Okay, now you can see the last example. See numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6, then this middle one is 7. Here 2 methyls are there. Okay, now total 7 carbons, so hept all single bond ane, hept all single bonds ane, and this functional group name is one, one, like in where it is second position, so 2-one. IUPAC rules already we discussed. Two vowels continuously should not come. So I am removing this E. Okay. Heptane-2-one. Okay. Now here prefix is remain. These two rings are there. So bicyclo. Next substitution 1, 7, 7 trimethyl 1, 7, 7 trimethyl bicyclo 2.2.1 heptane-2-one. Heptane-2-one. I think you understood clearly. Now we can discuss spiro compounds. What are the spiro compounds? The spiro compound means these two rings are connected from one carbon. Okay. When two rings are fused at one carbon, the prefix spiro is used. Carbon chain should be taken increasing order. Increasing order. See the quite opposite rules here in bicyclic and spiro. In bicyclic compounds, the numbering started from bridged carbons. Okay. Suppose here bicyclic is there, numbering is started from here. But here spiro compound, bridged head carbon next. It is not bridged head carbon actually, spiro carbon. This spiro carbon next carbon say numbering will start. Okay, this is the bicyclo. Okay, bicyclo and this quite opposite rules. There we started long chain. Okay, we started at bridged head carbon, we moved towards long chain, but here smaller. Okay, see numbering started here, small ring, number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, remaining rules are almost the same, and the next last rule is in the bracket we written there decreasing order. Here in the bracket bicyclic में decreasing order, but here in the bracket increasing order we will write. Okay, these are the quite different rules. Numbering started from next to spiro compounds. Okay, now only these two rules are mainly different. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 is there. So octane, the prefix is spiro. Then in the bracket 3, 4. Okay, how 3, 4? Any doubts? Just you count it. Spiro छोड़ के, see here, this is the carbon, 1 carbon, this is the 2 carbon, this is the 3 carbon, this is the 4 carbon. So here 4 carbons are there, here 3 carbons are there, you can count it. So now the order is increasing order, so 3, 4, 3.4. Okay, now you can see the middle example. Spiro, total how many carbons are there? Total carbons are there 9, so non-ane. Total 9 carbons are there, so non-ane. The prefix is spiro because these two rings are connected with one carbon. So spiro in the bracket the bridged carbons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons, here only 3 carbons. But increasing order चाहिए. Increasing order में 3.5. Okay, you can solve this question also. Spiro, here 4 carbons, there 2 carbons. So increasing order, so 2.4 heptane. Next, the structure of spiro 3,3 heptane is, just MCQs identify. 3,3 3. So these are the spiro compounds. Numbering we should start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So total hept bol rahe. So here only pent. So it's not. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 carbon matlab yes, chance is there. Then 5 to here also 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 मतलब तो ये दोनों रंग है. ठीक है. Now what is telling in the spiro? One bridge has 3, other bridge also 3. Symmetrical type. Here see, this is a 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. Here also 3 carbons are there. So answer is B. What about this one? You write this name also. First of all, spiro. Okay. Then bracket start. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4. Increasing order we have to write. 2 increasing order or decreasing order? You can see increasing order. Now 2.4 total carbons 7. Hept N. Hept N. ठीक है. Now second question. The structure of bicyclo 1,1,0 butane is. ठीक है. See here only one ring is there, so it's not correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो हेक्सेन होगा. सो रॉन्ग. ओपन चेन है तो साइक्लिक रिंग ही नहीं है. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all it is butane. Now you can see in one bridge one carbon is there, in another bridge also one carbon is there, in the middle bridge no carbons. So this is the answer. 1.1.0 butane. Okay. Here substitution, preference, there is no substitutions. So prefix is bicyclo. Okay. Bicyclo prefix, in the parenthesis 1.1.0 butane. And one more question. See, without giving numbering also you can write it as a bicyclic compound. Here one ring has 3, one ring has 1, one ring has 2. So here decreasing order hota hai in the bracket. Decreasing order. So 3 to 1. Where is the 3 to 1? The first one is answer. Okay. Now a few examples I want to give you. Suppose the bicyclic compound. Okay. Now double bond is there here. Then how you will give the numbering? See, I will give the questions, then you decide. Until that, start writing and check yourself. Okay. Bicyclic compound is from where you will start the numbering? Obviously from bridged head carbon. So Numbering started from here, suppose. Now obviously 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 carbons are there. So oct ene is there. Oct ene. Where is that ene? Second position. 2 ene. And here bracket before the word root bracket. How many carbons are there? 2, 2, 2. 2 dot 2 dot 2. Or what is the substitution here? Substitution is nothing. So only prefix. What is the prefix? Primary prefix. Bicyclo. Okay. Bicyclo 222 oct 2 in. Now here I want to give here one more. Suppose here methyl is there. Okay, methyl is there. Now I change the question. Now where you will start the numbering? You have to start here. There is no choice for you. If you start here, 1, 2, 3, 4th position is coming. If you start here numbering, 1, 2, 3 will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, total 9 is there. So non name. Okay, no name के पहले, sorry, it's not no name, it is a non in is there. Okay, how you will write this one? No name, non in. Here we cannot write 1 in, because if it is there the double bond in between 1 and 2, we can write 1 in, but in between 1 comma 6, so we cannot give that. Non in, that much enough. Then in the bracket, how many bridged carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Here 3, middle 0. So in the decreasing order, 4, 3, 0. 430 non in. 430 non in. Now substitution is still remain. One is 8th position, methyl is there. Here 3rd position also methyl is there. So 3, 8 dimethyl. 3, 8 dimethyl. Then 430 nonene. That much enough. Next, this is the spiro compound. We have to start numbering from next to the spiro compound. First we have to select the long short chain. Short. So here I am taking number 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbons are there. So hex, there is no double bond, that's why hane, hex, ane. Now in the bracket, increasing order. Okay, increasing order. So how many carbons are there? 2 and 3. So 2 dot 3. What is the substitution? 5th position में methyl. 5 methyl spiro. This is the spiro. 2, 3. Sorry, here bicyclo forgot. 3, 8 dimethyl. Here bicyclo. Okay, here 5 methyl spiro 2, 3 hex ane. Okay, right. I want to give few more questions, then this topic is end. These are the bridged head carbons. I am giving one double bond here. Don't confuse, this is the okay, एक minute, I will change it. This one is bicyclic compound, I can make it, yes. Here substitution is there, here double bond is there. How you will give the preference? Decide. Here double bond is there, here methyl is there. Here double bond is there. Now here methyl is there. So where you will give the preference? Okay, last. So here last. Okay, solve these questions. कोई डाउट है तो पूछ. Bye.